Hello, my name is Elise. Welcome to the product close-up of the Best Wishes Lift the Flap add-on die set. This fun add-on die set to the Best Wishes stamp and die will allow you to use the pieces to make the two cake layers into a Lift the Flap surprise. Must have the Best Wishes coordinating die set as the base piece to achieve the look shown in the product listing images. If you want to see the video on the Best Wishes product close-up, that will be linked at the end of the video. Now let's take a closer look at the dies. So the die cuts on the right, the Best Wishes cake, the Best Wishes outline, and the candle all come from the Best Wishes stamp and coordinating die set. And everything on the left of your screen is what comes in the add-on. So you've got this single candle, the confetti pieces, the layers of the cake, the icing on the cake, the Best Wishes die cut that match with the shadow layer. These two little peculiar pieces that I'll show you how to use, those are the lift the flap mechanisms. And then here are those die cut out. And I'm going to show you really quickly how this works. So if I were to do this, I would make it so that the best and the wishes went on the front of the cake, but I already had this die cut done. So what you want to do is just add a thin layer of glue onto the top of that cake. And then using, for this, in this case, the smaller of the two die cuts of the mechanism, glue that down to the cake. And then using the smaller of the two cake layers, which I've die cut here in blue so that you can see the difference, you're just going to add that on to the top. And you can see that perfectly covers the cake so that you can lift the flap and write a message inside. It's really, really neat and very fun and easy to do. So you can see here, you can just lift it up and you can write a message to the recipient. I do want to show you, you do need that base layer from the original stamp set to make this work. But it's a really fun and easy interactive card. I do also want to show you, you do get the inside layers to the best and the wishes, so you get the shadow die and the word die. Let's take another look at that lift the flap. This is so much fun. Really, really easy way to make an interactive card that any card maker can make. Here is a look at how that works, just as a quick example. So much fun. I think you're going to have a lot of fun with this one. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure you watch the other product close-ups and subscribe to the Trinity YouTube channel to see more from the design team.